Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Regions bank card. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, take your new Regions bank card and verify the name and card number match your account details. Check the envelope for any activation sticker or instructions that may list a phone number or website. Locate the 3-digit CVV on the back and the expiration date on the front, because you may need them during activation. Make sure you are in a safe place and never share your PIN or one-time codes with anyone. Option 1 is activating by phone. So find the activation phone number printed on the sticker or on the back of the card. Call that number from your own phone so the bank can verify your identity more easily. When the automated system answers, choose the option for card activation. Enter your card number using the keypad when you are prompted. Confirm your identity by entering the last 4 digits of your social security number or your zip code if requested. If asked, enter your card expiration date to complete verification. Listen for the confirmation message that says your card is now active. Hang up only after you hear the activation is successful. Option 2 is activating in the Regions mobile app. So open the app on your phone. If you do not have the app, download Regions Mobile from the official App Store or Google Play. Sign in using your Regions online banking username and password. If you are new, tap Enroll and follow the prompts to create your online banking access. From the app menu, go to Cards or Card Services depending on your app version. Select your new debit card from the list of cards connected to your account. Tap Activate Card and carefully confirm the card details shown on the screen. Complete any security step such as a text code, email code, or biometric approval if prompted. Wait for the on-screen message confirming your card has been activated. Option 3 is activating through online banking. So open a browser and go to Regions.com. Sign into Regions online banking using your credentials. Navigate to Customer Service or Card Services and look for Activate Debit Card. Enter the requested card information and submit the activation request. After activation, make a small purchase or an ATM balance inquiry to confirm the card works. If the card does not work, call Regions Customer Service and ask them to check the card status and any security blocks. Finally, sign the back of your card and set up alerts in the app to track transactions and improve security. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.